Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get started our lesson.
So first sentence is my shoulder muscles are hurting. My shoulder muscles are hurting. मेरे कंधे के पट्टों में दर्द हो रहा है. Second, my back hurts all the time. My back hurts all the time. मेरी कमर हर वक्त दुखती रहती है. 3, my joints are aching. My joints are aching. मेरे जोड़ दर्द कर रहे हैं. 4, I've got a swollen ankle. I've got a swollen ankle. मेरा टखना सूज गया है. swell होता है सूज जाना. 5, I'm in a lot of pain. I'm in a lot of pain. मैं शदीद दर्द में हूँ. 6, I've got a pain in my back. I've got a pain in my back. मेरी कमर में दर्द है. 7, I think I've pulled a muscle. I think I've pulled a muscle. मुझे लगता है मेरे पट्टों में खिंचाव पड़ गया है. 8, I'm having difficulty breathing. I'm having difficulty breathing. मुझे सांस लेने में दुश्वारी हो रही है. 9, I've been feeling exhausted. I've been feeling exhausted. मैं थका हुआ सा महसूस कर रहा हूँ. Last one is 10, I've got a cold as well. I've got a cold as well. मुझे नज़लह ज़ुकाम भी है.
So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it.
For speaking English, join my WhatsApp group given in the description. English बोलने के लिए description में दिया गया मेरा WhatsApp group join करें.
See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.